Mema Owusu about GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. Aramide Bremo. The president, Nana Akufo Addo, we could pay away a mini rally. I say, Maneri and Simple to which they say, or not in Yandi or Behandu, Ama Ubia, within the soon Kunimi 2 times. Now, Sadipano Obese, Nema, Wayano, no, and I Kwesi Pratt Jr., managing editor of the Inside newspaper, are reacting Ama Wadi and Samatuya. Now, Sanamide and Semling in our Bebano, Mr. Say, Samuyan subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Now, in the also, new video be a bear upload, also, when Sir can be. I feel we are now, well, like video on my thumbs up, give us a thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. Now, fee, wash share ma offer so in your being fair now, won't be a coso, a word down a memoir. I feel young call a summer babitugano. Kwesi Pratt Jr., managing editor of the Inside newspaper, somewhere the president, Nana Dampare Akufo Addo, the Kojina platform, so I would do 2 years or no, and then they will be handled by no, or in Senator, or reacting now, the summer to ya. Now, you can't hear story, no, your history, yeah, maybe the president, no one anymore, some summer of Kayano, Medina, a bit to ya, not fear, Kwesi Pratt Jr., or no so, in summer, or the Atuja, the Ghana Mamani, and Kafas animal, or the Nina Atuja. Now, you can't share a year story now. Ghana will for Eddie Betuga story no. Okay, what's it? I can't hand over to someone I defeated twice. Akufo Addo insists Mahama unhappy with everything I do. Now what I say or no enyadia or better than to me no Ediama will be a wedding so kumi impremu. Now bibi o yebiano enye Mahama fe.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Called on first-time voters to register in the ongoing 2024 limited voters registration exercise so that they can vote massively against the flag bearer of the opposition National Democratic Congress NDC, former President John Dramani Mahama. The president and awarded to the award catcher when I declare fina one ever register when if you do what you equina as a zero, whenever Quenya when it's in throw and being said about to one to on so beating up. And no what you say when in control when it means the bear when it be up to tier John Dramani Mahama. Now, what was say, according to the president, the NDC flag bearer will destroy all the gains his government has made if he comes into power again. Now, what you say, NDC for the flag bearer John Dramani Mahama no oba to say or no the president and now the Dampare for the wire to say Mahama ba or ba na. He therefore urged Ghanaian voters to make Vice President Dr. Mahama Bawumia, the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party (NPP), his successor, so that the gains his government has achieved will be cemented. There no na wo kachira won say sadia ene Dr. Mahama Bawumia a ono ye na bebi chire no ono na ebedi na de tie ya Ghana for onento aba emma no na nyima pa wa yedi nyina no tese wo machine kina emma no. It was also saying the registration has started, and I urge all persons here to register to do so. Your vote is your power. I say registration says a bintrono ashasiye na washo be kran say one inko true and be na one about one and ye one to me. Your vote is your power. I say I can't hand over to someone I defeated twice, and who is not happy with everything I do. He will destroy the work that I have done. Akufo Addo is quoted as having said while addressing supporters at a mini rally at Dubro in the Greater Accra region. Now to say a mini rally of course so na the president it is sensible na Akoto just or no enya dia wo better ni 2 minutes e dia ma ye John Dramani Mahama is answer nyama papa or no why no oba be say ni na no na ye Kwesi Pratt managing editor of the Inside newspaper dey na no ato sansem no a watch say asem na the president e ka no Odisa to me no enyo no na beche Ghana for the part yento aba emma no. Na Ghana mamrano
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Say obi a no obi say man say HandOver na wo beka say enya dia wo be HandOver Ghana for to aba no woni yiri pa wane pe na wo beka say wo HandOver say mamrano a kire kwan ye mfasa di pa na emfa so. Na do da kwa le fia o twena bi esi so bi amamrano the constitution e ka fasa ni ma no ho. Na yes sembedo entitlement yinti eye Kwesi Pratt Jr. said ye wode ni sem atuga abra eye nsema the president Nana do Dampare Akufo Addo kai na wo cheche ni semi na wona so wada kase MPP now they want to hand over net want to hand over to them what mean atuga enti Uncle Kwesi Pratt Jr. in some what they atuga enti no
have sanitized the statement made by President Nana Addo Akufo Addo. Because they've reduced it to whether or not he has a legacy and whether or not that legacy should be protected. If you focus on attention on his legacy and whether or not his legacy should be protected, you actually sanitize what he said. Because what he said clearly is that I'm not going to hand over if the people of Ghana do not elect the person I want. And that's very clear. Now, what are the implications of that? He is actually looking us in the face and saying that to hell with the 1992 Constitution. That the Constitution means absolutely nothing. That I am not a Democrat and I do not believe in the democratic process. To the extent that the democratic process does not deliver what I want, let the democratic process go to hell. You understand? So even though he talks about his legacy and the need to protect his legacy and so on, the most essential part of his statement is that he will violate the Constitution, he will abuse the electoral process, he will do whatever it takes to ensure that he retains power. Now, I don't think also that we need to take this statement in isolation. We need to couple this statement with other things that have happened, other statements, other practices, and so on, and other actions which have been taken. So here's the president who says, I'm not going to hand over to somebody that I believe will not protect my legacy, okay? Then there's Lord Comey, who has also come to tell us in plain language that they will not hand over, that they will do whatever it takes to retain power, okay? And it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there at all, okay? We are seeing, in real practical terms, measures being taken to ensure that no matter what happens, the government stays in power. One, the MPP parliamentary primaries in Yendi. We all saw an EC official declare publicly his allegiance to the New Patriotic Party. Is that not worrying? Add that to the statements, and it gives you a very worrying picture. It does not end there. A commissioner of the EC publicly declares that the National Democratic Congress is subversive of democracy. What does that tell you? If a commissioner actually believes that the National Democratic Congress is subversive of democracy, why would that commissioner not act in ways to prevent the National Democratic Congress from coming to power? I think it's important that we take note of these things. Then we have the case of a card-bearing propagandist of the New Patriotic Party who has publicly declared that he will do everything and anything possible to prevent the National Democratic Congress from coming to power, being appointed a commissioner. Are we not worried? We should be worried. Okay? I think it's important to draw the president's attention to the fact that he has no locus whatsoever when it comes to determining who should govern this country. That power is reserved for the electorate, not him. This country does not belong to him. He cannot make those decisions. He has no power to make those decisions. So at best, he's engaged in grape talking. Just grape talking. He has no such authority. He cannot. Now, the 1992 Constitution is an interesting document, and it provides a remedy for those who subvert the will of the people. The remedy is there. I don't want to repeat it. That remedy is so huge, so ghastly, that I don't even want to repeat it. So those who want to subvert election results, those who are claiming that they will not hand over power and so on, they should go and read the 1992 Constitution again. Because it tells us what we should do to them if they subvert the Constitution. The language is clear. If you subvert the Constitution, it becomes lawful to do some things to you. So they should not joke. This is not me talking, it's the Constitution which is talking. The Constitution says clearly that anybody who subverts the will of the people, we have to do the do. You understand what I mean? So they should be extremely careful. In fact, You don't even have to subvert the will of the people before what the constitution prescribes is done to you. Look, only recently there was the coup d'etat which was described as the Catalan coup and so on, involving Mark Palm. You remember? And the courts decided what punishment to give to them, even though they did not attempt the coup. They only dreamt and talked about it. You saw what the courts decided should be done to them. Indeed, 3 days ago, Second Lieutenant Osepoku died. I hope you remember Second Lieutenant Osepoku, who together with Lieutenant S.V. Atta and others tried to overthrow a military government, not a government elected by the people, but a military government. And you know what happened to them, okay? So, those who pray for long life should do things which allow them to have long life. If you pray for long life, you don't tamper with the constitution. If you pray for long life, you don't subvert the will of the people, because the consequences are dire.
Yo, a for winning, and somewhere Uncle Kwesi Pratt, Junior, managing editor of the Inside newspaper, or the Atuga, and somewhere the president, Nana Danko Akufo Addo was say, and Yadu no Ben HandOver, Mahama is answer Oba, you are power winning in a year over Babesero, and then Kwesi Pratt, it is some Atuga, watch say, Amramano, Achekwa, young for the Pebia, or bed, and say, all HandOver, no, young father Faso. Okay, I was doing so, and our no, so we also subscribe, and say, over subscribe on my like it. Na washe video rama ofofro so enyi bi na wahwe woso betimi akire wagen na faye ensem we nyina ho ewo comment box ni mo beti nka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.